In front of me is Nokia 8210 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off notifications. Begin by going into menu and accessing settings. Then select System. Scroll down to access notifications and click on all of those switches next to all of those features to block or enable notifications from them. You can also select notification details at the top and decide if you wish to show only icons or full details. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!